her own. You know when we did the shoot in that really nice house? The one with the grand signs?
Yes, 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 yes. Hi Spark Joy Gang, I'm so excited to bring you this video this week because it's something a little bit different to what you know anyway. And anyone that's new here, my name's Annie, I'm your host. I talk everything to do with creativity, spirituality, and how to expand your life and the life you want to create for yourself. This week, I did something a little bit different. I started to go out and do a lot of body art over the last few months, and I wanted to take you guys with me. So this episode this week is actually me doing body art with the makeup artist and the photographer, and what that all looks like together when 3 creative people collaborate, and what that actually looks like, and how we all were able to bring our own unique ways of working together. But not only that, what I learned when it comes to collaborating with others is you don't want to be the same. You actually want to be so different in your different ways with your skills, and you want to be able to have that open communication in a respectful way. The piece that you're creating, all of you together, is not personal. You're working together to create something and birth something through to the world for everyone else. And it's not about you. Working with other people in a collaborative way has allowed me to expand my senses almost, and also expand new ideas through, which I never thought I'd be able to get in that environment for some reason. I always thought it was just internal. But what I've come to learn it with creativity, the more you can collaborate with other creative people, the more you bounce back, but you've got to make sure it's the right people. So enjoy for this week. I hope you have a lovely rest of the week, and I will see you on the next episode.
Are you doing the whole body today?
No, not her whole body. What I planned is that I was gonna do like almost like floral, where I had it up her one arm across her like boob area and then come back down towards like her lower belly. Now thinking about it, I'll probably only do a little bit on the other arm.
Discipline them though, because
Do you have to discipline me?
oh, I have to. It's my job. It's so funny though, because I'm not a serious person. So like sometimes I'm like in my brain I'm like I actually wouldn't. Cause I've just got biad. I'm sorry. Like, and also I'm not doing I'm not doing the course. You know what I mean? I'm allowed to have nails, and then they'll be like arguing with me like, yeah, but why are you allowed to wear nails and I'm not? And I'm like, sorry, it's the rules. You've signed your. Is that they don't train the teachers to look after kids with ADHD or like autism. And
yeah.
They just expect the kids to do well and the teachers to be okay.
Yeah, and afterwards I literally...
Yeah. If you think about it, like you're their responsibility.
Yeah, I know.
Fantastic. Especially at that age as well.
It just takes...
Like if you didn't,
yeah, what was
and then he
happening?
carries on jumping on the table and it falls off. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%. Oh yeah, that's not good. I think I just don't like taking people's bullshit, really.
It is hard. Honestly, it's really hard work. Like being responsible for kids when they're not yours, and you just. Love that. That is like the style that like I do as well.
I wouldn't
Do you
worry
want a
so
dust
much.
sheet, Annie?
No?
I wouldn't worry
Do you
so
want a
much.
dust sheet?
Yes, please. Maybe I'll do the small one.
It's like the best people bring out the worst in us sometimes. Why? It's like I feel like my love for me and I have to see him time. And she crossed my mind, that beat just like the bass.
No, you can get like the stick-on knicker things from like Amazon, but my friend, when she came here and did like a shoot like last time, kept just flapping off. I don't know whether.
God, how embarrassing.
I don't know if she.
Is that nipple tape?
Yeah.
Food tape, yeah.
Yeah.
Food tape's good because it doesn't come off.
Yeah.
I think I'll just do this and then I'll go on to the wire.
Do you want me to finish it?
Me to like, yeah.
Yeah.
I have to get the other, yeah, I have to get the other boob.
Perfecto. Gracias. Señorita. Considering, Annie, how much you've done, it's only used like it.
I think it's cool.
Here, it's the next one that's actually getting removed.
Oh, that's such a shame. But like, you can't see that surely at all when you do your stuff.
Well, some things it just pokes out the edge. If I got it, because I like it. I just wish I got it a little bit smaller because it goes.
more around you.
Yeah.
Don't live in regret.
Yeah, I regret, the only tattoo I regret is my first one, those stupid stars on the back of my neck. I hate them.
How old were you when you got that?
17, my mum took me. She pretended I was 18.
Go on, Mum.
Cool, mum.
Yeah, she's 18.
My mum would
And I
never
wish
do
she
that.
did because it's awful. To this day, I'm like, this is all your fault.
No, the first one that I got was like on my ankles, like my third eye. Then I got the soles of my feet done, and then I got more around it, and then just they all started to appear.
No, I don't really like the nipple one. I've actually never seen like. I used to have nipple rings that like go around the edge and they were like spiky.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks so cool. And it covers up the tape really well.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah, it does.
That looks wicked. Go off a bit with my Even though everything's covered. What does that say? One lifelong friend. Love. One lifelong love.
What are you saying?
Oh, the so I was trying to read what
I was like,
One
these tattoos are that.
Like, couldn't read what it said. When we go to the house. A house, not that house. Yeah, it was amazing though. But that was such a good day. I was talking to Katie about it yesterday.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
You know Katie? The one that did her own makeup, the one that we were playing with. She did her own, you know when we did the shoot in that really nice house? The one that was all granite lines.
Yes. That's
long extension.
so cool. I want to do it
She did
here.
UCA yesterday, her makeup. And we were talking, we were talking about yeah. So we were talking about that shoot and I was like,
Oh no, I'm running out.
oh, you never need to do that again. So good.
Come on.
Yeah, that was
Oh no. I decided to retire. Okay, well that's the end of that one. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay.
the internet.
But like, I think when you're covered in paint, it doesn't even feel like you're naked because you just feel like you're covered in
Like you literally
something.
can't see anything.
No.
bring out your collarbone.
Love that. Almost like a golden collarbone.
Do you want here? Do you want the highlighter?
Yes, Danielle!
Wait, hang on. This one, because this is like proper lighting.
Do you want to put it on a collarbone for me?
You can't wash it off.
I just live with it.
Oh, thank you.
Sophia, you do that with your hair?
Oh, I really like this now.
That's nice.
Oh my god, I'm in love with doing body art so much.
And I kept it undercover, 'cause I'm kissing too.
Oh my god. Looks insane, yeah? I love it. Oh, that's insane. Yes! Yes! Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, this is everything I envisioned it to be for you.
I love it.
Yes!
What is this? Oh. I've got to pack all this away.
God, I've got my 85
That's insane. Right, let me just check the light before I turn the music on. Ooh. Hang on, reload. Disconnecting. That's it. You know what? It's great. It's like almost like really electric. Just check the light. Yeah, that's good. Okay, ready? Yes! Yeah. Oh my gosh, Sophia! Bring your feet nearer together. Yeah. There you go, this music suits. Yes. Looking towards this window. Yeah, there.